Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford E350. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. This is the cargo van variant. Taking a look inside at the interior here, there's seats. We're going to take a look in the back here. You have a bulkhead here. Wooden flooring that's going to keep you nice and safe here in the back. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. On the back end, you do have a factory trailer hitch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have your full stereo, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this cargo van on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.